Hey everyone, and welcome to the video. We're going to get right into it. Today we're making Korean dumplings. So as you can see in the mixer, I have about 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of ground pork. We're just going to give this a quick mix to bring the two meats together before we add the rest of the ingredients. As this is going, you can get the ingredients ready, because right now to this we are going to add one slightly medium diced onion, and then sesame oil and soy sauce. We're going to go in and join the party. And then after this, you want to be very careful with the next ingredient. It is cabbage. Now I only say be careful because you need to parboil it first. And what I mean by parboiling is you want to cook it for a couple minutes, but you don't want to make it soft. You want to make it pliable, but you still want to have the pieces there slightly crunchy for when they finish cooking once it's in the wrapper. So remember, 5 minutes or so. And then to this, we're going to add some garlic paste. You can use fresh garlic, about 3 cloves. Here I am using about 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste. I just like using the paste. Then we are going to add some bean noodles. Now I'm sure you can add any type of noodle you want. To me, it's just whatever you like. I tried to follow this recipe as closely as possible. So here I have mung bean noodles. They add a nice texture to the overall finished product. And as you can see, they're still steaming, but you just need to let them soak in hot water for about 15 minutes and then drain them off. So here we have the mixture evenly mixed, and we're just going to bring it over and start wrapping it. Now, as you can see, I do have a wrapper mold, usually made for pierogies and things like that, and you can see the wrapper is slightly bigger. But all in all, it doesn't matter how you wrap it. You put the stuffing in, water around the wrapper, and then seal it tightly. While as you're sealing, try to get as much air out as possible. So you can see I put a little bit of the meat mixture right into the middle. Got some water on my fingers, went around 1/2 of the wrapper to sort of create that glue so it seals shut. Now with this press, you can see I'm going slowly to make sure to push the meat in as much as possible so it doesn't squeeze out. Again, doesn't affect the taste. If some meat squeezes out, it squeezes out, and you can still seal it off. There you go. Boom. Sealed, delivered. If you want, you can trim the excess wrapper off or cook it as it is. I have one here already done with the excess trimmed off. And now we're going to go right into a frying pan with them. Now you do not have to fry them. Nope. You can just boil them, eat them like that. And to be honest with you, that's the way I like them. I like them boiled. It only takes a few minutes. And then eating them, dipping them in soy sauce, or you can make some of your hoisin sauce, fish sauce, whatever the case may be. Dip it in, and they're good to go. So as you can see here, they're done now. Nice and golden brown, fried. I do like them like this too. And that's it. Plate them up, serve them away. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Please try new things. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me.